The best chicken drumstick recipe you've ever tried. Place the chicken drumsticks in a glass jar. Pour in beer. Marinate for 30 minutes. Dry the meat with paper towels. Remove the skin. Mix flour with starch and spices. Divide the mixture into 2 bowls. In one of the bowls, break 2 eggs, pour in water, and mix. Add garlic. In the second bowl, pour a little water, and mix. Dip the drumsticks in the batter. Then roll in flour. In the pan with hot vegetable oil, put garlic. Fry the meat for 15 minutes.